Hi, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is feeling and doing well this beautiful day. Today I am fixing a broccoli, fresh broccoli, and I'm going to show you how I make my fresh broccoli. And it's a wonderful side dish with anything. But first you want to wash your broccoli. I brought some broccoli stalks and I cut them off, cut the bad parts off, and just cut them off and put them in a bowl, set them aside, and then I'm going to wash this broccoli really good and take off any of these kind of yellow looking edges. I just cut those off, put those aside, throw them away. I don't want that on my broccoli like that. I'll just trim that off. And then what I'm going to do is let that broccoli, fresh broccoli, soak in this water because it's probably really dirty off in here. So it's important that you wash that really well. So I'm going to let that soak for about 15 minutes. Okay, while that's soaking, I am going to get my water started for my broccoli. So I will fill this pot up about 1/4 of the way. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of salt in this water as it boils. And I'm getting it ready so I can drop my broccoli into the boiling water. Okay, turn your fire on medium. Add a tablespoon of butter to this water. And a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. So I'm going to add that to that, and I'm going to bring that to a boil and continue soaking my broccoli and trimming all the bad parts off while this is getting ready. Okay, now that it's at a boil, I'm going to drop my crowns of broccoli in. As you notice, I cut mine pretty low off the stalk, so and I've cleaned them, so I'm going to drop those in. And we love broccoli. Broccoli is good beta carotene. It's good for you, and it is good. So we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to cover that up and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And then I will turn it off and just keep the top on it because I want it to more or less steam cook. So cover your top. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to turn the fire out from under it. And then you can test it. Make sure it's done. Just take a knife and kind of push through your stalk. See how that comes apart? So it's done. So you just stick the top on it and it's ready to serve. So if you like this recipe, give me thumbs up on this side dish of broccoli. It is delicious and you won't be sorry. Don't that look good? And you can serve it with anything. My family loves this broccoli. So without further ado, I'll talk to you later. Love, love. To take advantage of the special price on the Real Kitchen for Real People Family Story Cookbook that is now available on Amazon. So be sure to go out and get that wonderful cookbook. It's a lot of short stories and memories of gatherings around our table, which is a lot of fun to read and enjoy the recipes and poems. So be sure to check out The Real Kitchen for Real People on Amazon to take advantage of this unique family story cookbook.